Ndechaka chatatu 13 kupita kumapeto makanisa kuti ngati tchimo lili mthenda ndekuti Yesu Kristu ndi dokotala yekhayo amene anachotsa ndipo sipazapezeka dokotala wina kupanga zimene zonse. Funso inalo kuti nanga chifukwa chani mpaka na lero lititi mapatient mthenda imene ya tchimo. Ndi ndakapota chake ndi doctor. Ndinayesesa Chingerezi basi usaope ndinayesesa kuti sakuise ntchito chawo kwa chanu pachipatala.
Yes.
You may not have cash or a car, son. Catch the big picture, still Dr. Carson. Gifted, hands placed in God's hands, that's the right. He stands for a future since God knows the plans He has for you. No swagger, He hates pride, so put your white flag up. Nobody's getting the self-expression, breathing through your soul, revealing your depression. Wait. We can all as well be patient. The doctor took history, here's the situation. Listen, it's chaotic and it is global. Case presentation, corruption, cash trapping men like pigs and cats idolizing flight pads, the kicks and oh my, the young women who have gone gaga. Little kids off the track, who is going to stop that? Lack of discipline, love doesn't condone that. Verses 8 through 11, Hebrews, the 12th chapter. Anyway, there's a myriad of symptoms and signs, call it the sin syndrome, of a disease all mankind inherited from natural birth of the first man, Adam. Genetics, huh? Maybe you are asymptomatic in courts. You need a physician to examine your heart. You know, porn, rape, gay. You may call that extreme, but if you are self-righteous, your eye is Pharisee. You can't see how dead your good works are. Thanks be to God, He has given us a doctor who opens the eyes of the blind.
Yeah.
If you have ever saved a document before, listen to this. Or if you have ever deleted a file or an email before, listen to this. Document, file, email. Let's play with the middle word file. Shuffle the letters a bit in the doctor's game. You make life. This doctor did not save my life, he saved me. My life was trash, he died for me to be free.
Very deep.
The third day from his burial, so he's alive, yo, and church bears his name and his fame. He's paying to die his game. What must we do to do what God requires? The answer, just believe in the one He sent. Like a joke, right? Yeah, He said it is finished. Oh, you weary and burdened, come to Him. The church is the doctor's body. We are hospital. Church ain't a museum for good people. See, the doctor's dad is our father. So related. How does that sound? But I'm afraid because not all of us are His children. Read 1 John 3 verses 7 through 10. The fact that marriage is still dwelling in sin doesn't mean that the doctor did pay the price in full. Okay? We are at war. And John 3:16 is not just a verse you've heard before. Respond. He's the DR.